When it arrives, the Galaxy S23 will have some big shoes to fill, but we are confident that Samsung can pull it off with its new flagship phones. Among this year's releases, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus felt a lot more iterative than innovative, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra had no such problem bringing the Galaxy Note back to life. Rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S23 are just starting to pick up, but we wanted to share what's out there. So here's what we have heard about the Galaxy S23 so far. Better model differentiations. Let's face it, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus are pretty boring. They look just like the predecessors without many new features. The biggest changes involved improved nightography for low-light photos, but all of Samsung's efforts clearly went into the most expensive Galaxy. While understandable, we'd really like to see the Galaxy S23 and S23 get something that makes them more than iterative upgrades. Whether it's a fresh design, stronger cameras, or display refresh rates that actually dip to 10Hz, since the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus did in fact feature a minimum of 48Hz instead of the 10Hz Samsung initially advertised. We just don't want the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus to bore us. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, though, should be anything but boring. Samsung executive Bro Taemoon may have just told us that the Ultra will be returning for the S23 lineup and that it isn't going to disappear anytime soon.